Okay, let's start it.
Okay, first of all, before you start it, you take this cap off right here and lay it on the floor. You take the gas cap out. There's the gas cap there right there. And you have to put some gas in here. And both of them actually, very little in here. That's the carburetor. So you put a little bit in here.
Is that pure gas?
Yep. And then just a little bit right here. Very little, watch. That's just to get it started. That's all you put.
Oh, less than that tiny little cup of
Very small, very little, just to get it started.
like if you were going to do mouthwash.
And then you put the cap back. You put this back. And then put the screw on. Tighten it up. Then you're ready to start it. This lawnmower, it's going to take about 7 to 8 pulls before it starts.
Wow. Okay. And this is the oil.
That's the oil.
And does it need oil?
And then just start it. It takes about 7 or 8 times.
And okay, what do you put this up or no?
You just leave everything alone.
Leave it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Almost. It's time. Okay. Let's get it.